Well, it was physically and mentally quite demanding because we were shooting in Delhi in summer. It was extremely hot, and we would have placed lights sometimes, and the rooms would be really hot.
Despite the daily summers and the sweating that led to salt on our body, the cheap hotels and the ridiculous hours of work, that was actually the easy part. The tough part was when we had 197 hours of footage, those horrendous amount of hours. There were basically four of us who pretty much organized this, which is Nimish, Sumit and Shreya and me, who kind of pretty much went through all the footage, and actually those three went through the footage, and I kind of helped put things in place. I had certain notes of my own which I kind of used. This was the real exercise. This is when the film actually began to form, and it was a huge learning for not just me but for all of us. There was a certain way I wanted the music portions to feel a certain way, but I didn't know what. We took some false steps. And I think the breakthrough came from Sumit when he made this remark about watch their chemistry.
I've seen them perform so much, heard their music so much. I remember around 10, 12 years back, Amit asked me, what do you like about Indian Ocean? And I just told him that I like the improvisations. And I don't think around 15 or 18 years back, or I don't remember if I even knew the meaning of the word improvisation at that time.
ये लोग आपस में जब बजाते हैं तो ये आपस में किस तरह से एक दूसरे का इशारे करते हैं और एक दूसरे की हेल्प भी करते हैं. तो जब मैंने उस इनपुट के साथ पूरा रशेस वापस देखा तो आई फाउंड कि ये तो अलग ही चीज है और बहुत मजा आया मुझे.
This insight and the manner in which Nimish executed it and the manner in which Nimish internalized it, that provided the sensibility to the music parts in the film very, very beautifully. I think the music parts are edited very nicely. I didn't want that quick cuts kind of thing just because it's popular music. That's all. That's how it is treated. There was a lot of stay and there was a lot of chemistry that came through in the recordings, in the live thing, and wanted the thing to have that stay, that therao as we call it.
I did not realized that the edit can be done in such a way that the narrative is like a storytelling. So it's not really a documentary. It's more like a story of Indian Ocean.
मैंने देखा यार at the end of what am I doing? I am basically wasting my life.
तो फिर उसके बाद जब एकांश के टाइम फिर इन्होंने पूरा जॉब ही छोड़ दिया.
मैंने देखा ये अब छोड़ूंगा ना तो अब मैं अपने आप को मजेदार में फेंकूंगा और अभी मैं कुछ कर जाऊंगा जिंदगी में, अदरवाइज मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. वो आराम से कुछ होता नहीं है जिंदगी में काम.
तो सबका जिंदगी ना थोड़ा डामाडोल सा है. उम्र हो गई है 30 की 28 की, मगर कुछ एक्चुअली हो नहीं रहा है जिंदगी में. सो एवरीबडी इज अ लिटिल लॉस्ट, a little not quite sure what's going on. शादी वादी करके बैठे हुए हैं सब लोग.
I had to have some plans. I must know what my adult son is going to do. तो he said, भाई जी ऐसा ना प्लान कोई नहीं है मेरा. मैं ना बजाता रहूंगा और देखता रहूंगा कहाँ पहुंच जाऊंगा. And this sentence is in my mind.
I set up a factory. The purpose of the factory was that I wanted to be my own boss so that I could spend more time with music. I lost all my money.
3-4 मिनट के बाद ही शो शुरू हुआ. मुझे याद है राहुल के साथ मेरा एक सीरियस फाइट हुआ था जस्ट 2 मिनट्स बिफोर. एक बार नहीं 3-4 बार हुआ है कम से कम. बस स्टेज में गए सब भूल गए. वो भी हंस रहा है मेरे को देख के, मैं भी उसको हंस रहा हूँ देख के. और सर यू फील लाइक ए